Hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today, we're back at another water park. We're at Hurricane Harbor opening day of the 2023 season. Back at it again. We're about to get on Tsunami Surge and have a lot of fun. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. They're just getting in and we're about to get the raft. Of course, good old Frederick here is going to carry it. I don't know why he always wants to, but he insists and I'm not gonna fight him over it. But yeah, we're gonna have some fun, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get it and head on up to this beast of Tsunami Surge. We're on the hike right now to go up. By the way, it is quite cold. It's about 72 degrees, quite windy. Very sunny though here today. But we're managing and we're making it. We've been in worse. We've been in 62 degree water park season weather. Crazy early May. But yeah, headed up this hike all the way down. And we're gonna have a blast here today. Memorial Day weekend, opening day of Hurricane Harbor at Six Flags over Georgia. Good vibes only. You cannot beat those views. Paradise. So we get a little bit of a backup right here, but we're near the top. Like I said, it is a beautiful, beautiful weather day here today. Cannot wait to drop down that. This is one of my favorite slides here though. For some reason, I love it, especially the drop, but it's gonna be good vibes only, great times. Man, I'm glad to be out here. We're gonna have a blast here today. Again, you cannot beat that view. Paradise over the horizon right there. My goodness, I love it. Woo! But we're going up next. Oh, here we go. Look crazy. Oh, what is going on?
Oh, we're picking up speed.
Oh, we are picking up speed. Oh, turn.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, baby. Boys, no. It's okay. Oh, this man. It's okay. Fred is okay. Oh my goodness, that was epic. That was amazing. But there's zero weights right now, so why not go back and do it again and again? All right, let's go, boys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you guys are new. We're gonna keep on going on this adventure. Okay, all right, going back around, headed up this hike of stairs. My goodness. But woo, that was fun though. That was a good time. Great way to start off the day. Going back around, doing it again, and then we're gonna head over to the other three slidages over there. Slidages? Something like that. But yeah, those slides over there. Hit up the wave pool, get some food. Man, good day. Good day so far. Woo! Woo! All right, boys. We're handling it. Here we go. Oh, it's gonna be me. It's gonna be me. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's me.
Oh, crap. Oh, my foot's off. My foot's off. Oh, so much epicness in one video. My goodness, that was fun. All right, we're gonna hike across over there. That was a blast though, by the way, but we're gonna hike over there, get on the slides and keep on going, then hit up Skull Island too as well. Keep having a blast. All right, boys, y'all having a good time?
Amazing.
Always. Let's keep going. Beautiful day, water park, music going, not high crowds right now. Beautiful, beautiful tropical wave pool right there. Tsunami Surge in the background. Let's keep on going this way. So we're up here. Bonsai pipelines back here, 3 different ones, like a no-minute wait right now, so we're looking golden right now. All right, so Bonsai pipelines is currently down for about 30 minutes, but Skull Island's a go, and we're gonna make that happen and get on the different slides here. So yeah, let's keep on having a blast no matter what. My goodness, I know this is gonna fall in a second, right when we're perfectly under it. I just know it. I just know it. It's going to happen, but yes, you will get soaked here at this water park no matter what, and it is very cold, so keep that in mind. But we're gonna weather the storm and have a blast. So these fine gentlemen here are waiting for the giant bucket to splash down. I'm not gonna do it. I'm good. They can do it, but I did it before. If it happens to me when I'm under there trying to get on the slide, then it happens, but I'm not about to just wait like that. But they will. Here it comes. Ah! You lived and survived. How was it? I'm sorry, I did it before. I'm good right now, but we'll see later. We'll see. But let's head on up. Heading on up. Ah, the water. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. I'm not a wimp though. It's all good. Up. Headed on up. Ah! Okay, water coming down here. I'm taking you all with me. Stay dry, y'all. Ah, it's cold. It's cold. Ah! Okay. Muscles, strength. Okay, keep going. Keep going up. Oh, we're headed up. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't splash us again. More water. Ah, stay on the outside. Yeah. All right, here we go. Ah, so he just went, then it's gonna be me. Let's see how it goes. It's on me. Move! I'm going slow right now. Come on. I'm trying, y'all. It's moving slow today. I'm not waxed up. Boo! I'm still having fun somehow, but it's going super slow. Oh man. All right, waiting for Fred and Jonathan to come down. That was super slow, but hey, we had fun. Okay. Okay. That was slower compared to this. We're up. Yeah. Oh, taking up speed now. Getting speed. Oh. Yeah. In the splash. Okay, now we're back. But yeah, headed up the green one now. Hopefully this one's better. Going back around. That water is freezing. It's so cold. It's so cold. Okay. All right, we're headed on up. Beautiful day here today. Hurricane Harbor action. Going on up. Oh, why do I feel like that bucket's gonna fall? More cold water right here. Okay, we're okay. We're managing. We're doing this green one now, though. Oh, this one's moving faster. Okay, now. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Go, go, go. I'm moving slow. Here we go. It slowed down on me, and that's falling. Okay. Moving slow today. What is going on? Opening day woes. Ah! Okay, here we go. Ah! We're headed back up. Okay. Ah! Which way do we go? It's just raining on us right now. Ah! Be careful. Be careful, y'all. Which way do I go? Yeah, we went the wrong way. Okay, wrong way. Yeah. Okay, so we gotta go up and around. What's the exact way? I don't know which way to go. Okay. So we go down and around? Okay, we're going back down. We're not cutting the feed off the camera. We're just gonna keep on going. Y'all are walking in this with me. If I gotta do it, you gotta do it. Ah! Heading on up the steps and getting on this orange slide right now. I think we found the right way to go. Here we go. Oh, one-handed. Ah. Okay, I made it. It's falling on us. Oh. Oh! 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 Barrel roll on up! What is happening? Okay, we made it. It is straight raining right here. I don't know what's happening, but it's not stopping. I don't know what's happening. Is this forever? Oh, wow. Oh, okay. This is the thing. So we're just waiting right here for the orange slide. Hopefully it's faster. Go on around there. And have a great day. My goodness.
There's a bucket over here.
Yeah, it's just coming out of like the volcano. All right. So we're going up next. Oh, we're moving now. We're moving now. We're moving now. Ow! That water slapped me in the face. Ow! My back. Ow! My neck. I'm okay. Ow! We made it. We made it through. Where's Jonathan? Is he coming? Wipe out. Well, surprisingly enough, that slide was faster than the other two bigger ones. So that's crazy, but we got a good fast one. But headed up again, headed up the rope ladder. The rope ladder, sorry. Y'all can keep going. And then, yeah, we're getting on this like sage teal one right here. And yeah, we had conquered Skull Island and we survived. Oh my goodness, here we are with this again. Okay, put my sunglasses back on. Okay. Oh. I made it. Fred is going, Jonathan, then myself. The water hit me in the face again. Okay, okay, we're moving. We're going. We're going. We're going. Oh, I'm chilling. Okay, get up. Stand up, Miguel, jeez. I don't know why, I was just sitting there. My body was like, this is our comfort zone. How was it? It was better. Okay.
The orange was way better.
Yeah, the orange one was it. Trying the purple one again. Hopefully you guys like my hat, by the way. It's a Batman Six Flags hat at that. I think it's pretty snazzy. Keeps my neck nice and cool on this hot type of days. But yeah, going back up. Bucket is perfectly about to fall right when we get under it. My goodness. It is what it is. It is what it is at this point. Hopefully we can dodge it. And it is super windy right now, by the way. Super windy. Ah, it's cold. It's cold. Heading on up. Thank you for water shoes. Like the video. And we're off. I'm going sideways. Okay, we're kind of moving now. We're kind of moving. Oh. What is happening? Why am I sideways? It was a little better that time. It's a little better. This little path right here. What is happening? This little pathway. Yo, they're running up this one. Let's see. We made it. This is boot camp. Boot camp. It's so cold. Water boot camp. Ah, come on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're moving. We're moving now. We're moving now. We're moving. I ended up on my stomach. I ended up on my stomach.
Lost at sea.
I was lost at sea. How do we have fun like this here? Oh my goodness. Oh, Bonsai Pipelines, unfortunately, is closed for an unknown amount of time. Maybe all day on opening day. Maybe opens up later. I don't know. But yeah, it's unknown at the moment. But we're gonna get in the wave pool and then grab some food, and hopefully this opens up later. But if not, we had a blast so far today, but hopefully Bonsai Pipeline opens up later. We're in the wave pool right now. I think this wave pool is actually better than Whitewater. And the water's warm now. It wasn't when we first got here. Hopefully it's, ow, oh jeez. Jeez. Oh, bro, wait, give me a chance. Give me a chance. All right, we are moving to the front. Upwards and onwards, gentlemen. Oh, the waves are not playing right now. The waves are a-waving. Oh, okay. Okay. Give me a chance. Give me a chance, waves. Oh, I don't know how we have so much fun at this small little water park, but we do every time. Hopefully you all are too. Let's keep going, y'all. You're with me. I'm carrying y'all through. Oh, headed to the front. Oh, they moved the line up further too. Okay. This thing, it used to stop right here like 3 feet, but it goes all the way to the 5 feet. We're moving on up. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. We're in it now. We're in the mix. Oh. Welcome to water park. Oh, it's season. It's here. It's here. Make sure you jump with the waves. Here we go. Waves are coming. Oh, that one smacked me in the face. How disrespectful. That was that Will Smith wave. Oh. I'm one with the waves now. Hurricane. Oh, pay attention, Miguel. Pay attention. I'm thankful for water shoes. I got grip now. Okay, we're doing it. Okay, it's still going. All these waves are crazy. Yes, you really could do surf lessons. Okay. Okay. Oh, everybody here. It's a beautiful day. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Let me go. Let me go. The waves are taking me out. Oh, jeez. So I'm at the 5 foot line right here. Just chilling, nobody around. Just enjoying myself here today. It's just beautiful. Memorial Day weekend, back out here. Water playing like a tropical island paradise within a theme park. Gotta love the good vibes as only. Jonathan's taking swimming lessons right here. It's good though, but I'm getting a little bit hungry, and I think I'm gonna hike all over to JB soon, get that specialty burger, because I'm not feeling Tidal Wave Cafe right here today. Whew. Let me calm down. No, we're having fun though. But yeah, it's beautiful out here today. Make sure you guys make it out here as soon as possible. Slowly being pushed back up the shore. Oh my goodness. So much fun though. I love this water park. Love the vibes. Love the energy. Love the beautiful weather. I love this wave pool. My goodness. Headed out the wave pool now. Time to grab some food. Oh, I fell. Jeez. How did I fall? Man. Okay. All right. We're good though. We're good. Headed out the wave pool now though. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today at Hurricane Harbor here at Six Flags Over Georgia on opening day of the 2023 season, Memorial Day weekend. Had an absolute blast here. Sad that bonsai pipelines, none of the slides opened while I was here, but hopefully it opened up for y'all that did come out here later on after I left. But yeah, had a blast here today. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Had an absolute true blast. Hopefully y'all did too. Till the next video and our adventure, take care, be well, and have a thrilling day.